Genesis Family! It's my friend's birthday, and she gave me some special things.
That's a big goodie bag you have there.
Enjoy mine.
Wow, what's inside the goodie bag?
Pencil box, a milk, a jelly, a cornflakes, a biscuit, and a gummy bear. Let's put the song.
Wow, that's a lot inside the goodie bag. Wow, you have this nice Elsa pencil box.
Let's see what it is.
Okay, let's see what's inside.
It has a
Wow.
notebook. And it has a pencil, gummy bag, a ruler, and an eraser.
Wow. Enjoy your snacks.
I take the blue. I take gummy bag. Now this is yours. I am a violet.
Wow, your honey stars. Honey stars. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I see. Wow. It's chocolates inside. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Okay. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. And we have one jelly.
That was delicious. Bye, see you next time. Happy birthday.
High five.
Bye-bye. Let mommy subscribe for our channel. Like my video.